What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing, and today I'm going to walk you through eBay's international shipping program. I'm going to show you how to opt in, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like when you ship an item through the eBay international shipping. I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I do, and it's going to shock you how easy this is. Opting into the eBay international shipping program is as close to free sales as you're ever going to get. So let's go ahead and pop over to the computer and let me show you exactly what it takes. For the most part, if you are eligible for the eBay international shipping program, you've probably been opted in already, but just in case, let's go ahead and turn that on. From the eBay Seller Hub, we're going to go up here by our name. We're going to go to the down arrow, and it should pop up with account settings. Let's open that. And from there, we're going to scroll down to where it says shipping preferences. And let's open that. And right there at the top, as easy as can be, eBay international shipping. And you can opt out if you're opting in and you, for some reason, you don't want to ship overseas. But I'm opted in, and we want to remain opted in. There are so many benefits to being in the eBay International Shipping Program. Let me run down a few of them. First, you aren't shipping overseas. You are just shipping to Glendale Heights, Illinois. That is eBay's hub. They take your package and they ship it overseas. And you aren't handling the money. eBay collects that money for the international shipping from the buyer, and you don't have any input into it. You don't have to cover it. You don't have anything to do with that. All you're doing is shipping domestically. By opting into this, you create an opportunity for international buyers to buy your stuff. One of the concerns is, well, what if I get a return? Man, returns through this program are the easiest thing in the world for you and me, because eBay handles all of them. If you get a return, eBay eats it. If they accept the return, that money doesn't come out of your pocket. When you make a sale, it's sold. If that package disappears after it leaves the Glendale Heights hub, eBay takes care of it, not you. All of the complaints go back through the eBay international shipping program. They don't go through you. And if you get a negative, eBay says that they will take care of it. It also won't have a negative impact on you. While of course I love sales that go to the United States and they're easy to do, I kind of wish every single sale was through the eBay international shipping program, because I have virtually as little risk as you could possibly have. Once you've opted in and you get a sale, let me show you exactly what we do. And it's going to look just identical to shipping domestically. This is one of the best things that eBay has ever done. So let's package something up. So let's go ahead and get our lure packed up and shipped. And let me show you how easy this is. Just like we would if we were shipping domestically, this is going to ship to Illinois. So let's bag this thing up. Okay, just like that. This is an 8x8x4 box. This is one of the standard boxes that Melody and I keep on hand. We use it all the time. I use it for baseball caps and tons of small stuff. So let's go ahead and get a weight on this and get it shipped. All right. Comes in at 5.5 ounces. All right, let's get this shipped. Okay, from our seller hub, we are going to click print labels and ship. Here is our fishing lure. And what I want you to see, I'm going to change this to 8 ounces. It's 8x8x4. I knew what size box I'd be using. And if you look over here I'm shipping this to Glendale Heights, Illinois. It's going to go to eBay and they will ship it overseas for me. I don't have to do anything different. The shipping paid to me is still the $6.99 domestic. So I'm going to scroll right down here and it's going to cost me $4.43 plus my box and eBay fees. And I print my label. And notice on here, it'll have a customer name, but it's Glendale Heights, Illinois. And if I ship through the eBay International Shipping, they cover all of the customs and all of those things for me to ship it overseas. So I mean, I'm a huge fan of this. So let's print that label. Just like that, it's done. Shipping internationally through eBay's international shipping program has got to be one of the first things I would tell a buyer to turn on, because there's very, very little risk. In fact, I think there's less risk than there is shipping domestically. And eBay takes care of all of it. It's just a way to add potential buyers to your sales. We've had 3 international sales just this week. So I'm a huge fan. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you real soon on the next one. Bye.